Okay, so in this case, solve the differential equation dy dx, x minus y equals y, given that x equals 2, y will equal 5, okay? So we want to actually get a specific solution here, and they've given us boundary conditions. So we're going to separate the variables, okay? So in this case here, okay, I want to keep the dy there, obviously, and I'm going to take this y over. Now, because the y is on top, when I take it over, I'll divide. There's no other y term there, so it'll become 1 over y, okay, with respect to y. Now on this side then, okay, there's no x term here, okay, so when I take that dx over, it'll be 1 times dx, okay, and then this x minus 1 bracket here is on top, isn't it? It's on top, so when I take that over, it's got to divide, so it'll be 1 over x minus 1 dx, okay. So we've got the integral there. So we can integrate both sides. Now 1 over y, we know becomes ln y. Okay. And then 1 over x minus 1, well, because it's linear on the bottom, that will become then quite simply ln x minus 1. Okay, that's how to integrate that. Don't forget then the plus constant. Okay. Alright. Now, we can work out the constant, and we're expected to, because we've got to solve the differential equation. We're given those values there. We can say, look, when x is equal to 2, y is equal to 5. So sub it in. So we've got ln 5, because that's what y is equal to. Ln then, while x is 2. Okay, so 2 minus 1 in there. Now, we keep that as ln 5. And of course, ln 2 minus 1 will just become ln 1. And plus c, and ln1 is 0, okay? So that means c is equal to ln 5. Now, don't be tempted to actually work that out on your calculator and get a horrible decimal. Leave it like that. So we have ln y is equal to ln x minus 1 plus then your constant, which is ln 5. And remember the rule then of logarithms. When you're adding two logarithms together, you times the terms, okay, so you can put them as a single logarithm, but these two times together, so this will become ln of 5 times x minus 1, okay, with those two times together. And then you'll notice you've got a single logarithm both sides, so they effectively cancel out, so you have, when you have a single logarithm both sides, so you just have y here equals 2, then this 5 bracket x minus 1. So there you go, you've solved the differential equation.